Hi, myself Dr. Jayaprakash Chitigi, prosthodontist and implantologist, currently practicing at Chandralate, Bangalore. Principles of tooth preparation includes preservation of the tooth structure, resistance and retention form, structural durability, marginal integrity and preservation of the periodontium. Whereas in case of preservation of tooth structure, it depends upon the placement of the margins. The placement of the margins means where we are going to place the margins, whether we have to place it subgingivally or supragingivally. In case of the crown height is more, then we can place the supragingival margin placement. Where in case of very short tooth, crown root ratio is very less, then we can place subgingivally in case of for the more aesthetic purpose. Resistance prevents the removal of the tooth structure, removal of the processes from the abutment along the path of insertion. Whereas resistance form is it going to prevent the dislodgement of the restorations from the forces apical or the coronal directions or the oblique directions. So both resistance and retention form are inseparable or integral part of the qualities. Whereas more the parallel walls, more the resistance form and the more the retention form. Whereas the less the paralleling walls, more the tapering walls, there will be less retention form. Whereas structural durability depends upon the occlusal reductions, cusp bevel and the axial reductions. Whereas in case of marginal integrity, it completely depending upon the placement of the finish lines. Finish lines includes the chamfer finish line, shoulder finish line and shoulder with finish lines and shoulder with bevel and knife heads. Whereas in case of full metal crowns, we require chamfer finish lines. Whereas in case of ceramic crowns, we require shoulder finish lines. So in knife heads, where the minimal level of the gums, where we can place also knife heads finish lines. Then comes to that preservation of the periodontium. It depends upon the placement of the margins again, whether supragingival or subgingival. Whereas in case of the cavity or the decay present over the cementum, we can extend the placement of the margins into the subgingival level. So preservation of periodontium means always we have to maintain the proper oral hygiene, less amount of the food structure deposition, callus formation. In order to place a subgingival placement of the margins is always safe for that in case of aesthetic purpose, in case of anterior teeth. Whereas in case of posterior most teeth, we can place the supragingival margins.